I now have the pleasure of inviting our dignitaries to take their seats at the head table. They say ladies first. So can I please invite Mrs. Priyanti Abevira, Director. Madam, can I have you to take your seat at the head table? Also, Mr. Thusara Vaidyasekara, our official architect. I know a person with immense years of experience and certainly a person to be reckoned with. We are happy to be working with him. Also, Mr. Dasun Vikramaratne, the chairman, another dynamic young personality. Like I said, I'm extremely happy to be involved with this because he's the chairman of a company that has been in the industry for over a decade, and they've completed already 4 projects and have all been delivered, and the 5th is 90% in completion. Can I also invite Mr. Dinesh Swarnage, General Manager? Is Mr. Viraj Mendes here from Hat National Bank? Yes, your partner in progress, Hat National Bank. He is the Chief Manager of HNB. They are the official banker in this particular project. And Mr. Indika Mendes, Assistant General Manager, you to take your seat as well. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I spoke so much about Ocean Breeze Hotel Residences Negombo. Well, they say seeing is believing, and of course, listening to the dynamic chairman is also very, very important as he gives us a presentation. So, without further ado, I have the pleasure of inviting the young dynamic chairman, Mr. Dasun Vikramaratne. Everybody, put your hands together and give him a round of applause.
Yeah, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I think Mr. Faisal and my general manager already introduced about the project. Anyway, it is my duty to give you more elaboration of this, what is the concept and all that. Before I get into the main topic, I will give you the very, very brief introduction about my company, because I think most of the people does not fully aware of global group of companies and the more related information. Actually, we were started this company in year 2003. Now we are completing 14 years in our operation, and we get into the condominium business in year 2013. Now we are in 2017. It's just a matter of just 4 years. You know, during these 4 years, my first project was the VIP residences in Battaramulla. It had just 4 number of units. You know, actually, Thusara, one of my good friend, actually, he is the person who encouraged me to get into this condominium business. Actually, I was fully stranger to this market because all these days we were in only the real estate business, only the land sales. And Thusara encouraged me, you know, doesn't worry, we'll do this. This is a very lucrative investment avenue where we can play and make profit. So we started my first project in Battaramulla. Though we started the project, you know, even after 3 months gone, we couldn't find the buyer to sell the units. That's but you know, Thusara encouraged me. No, don't worry. We'll proceed the construction. Somehow we'll try to find the buyer. After 3 months' time, oh my God, I got one buyer. He's today here with me. Thanks, Paul. Thank you, Majan. Right? He was my first customer. And as I told you, we get into the business in 2013 in condominium business. And during this last 4 years, we was able to launch 13 number of condominium projects. Some are very large projects. And before I came to this event, I consulted the accountant, and I asked from him, yeah, Manjula, what is the project value that we are currently handling? He gave me the record. Currently, I'm very proud to announce you all, currently we are handling more than 8 billion worth of projects. That is the, you know, success of the company. You know, very short period of time, we were able to launch 13 number of projects. Here today, you're here to our new project launch, which is called the Ocean Breeze Negombo. Okay, before I give you the more information about Ocean Breeze, I think Faisal Land, my general manager, explained a little bit. This is a little new concept and something innovative. It is not a traditional apartment. You know, I think everybody know, you and me, what is the current market condition for the condominium business. I think I have seen one statement made by the Governor Central Bank. He stated that this market is, by 2020, it is coming to the maturity stage. After his statement, I think my bank also will agree with me, it was adversely affected to the condominium arena. This was the fastest growing industry in Sri Lanka, construction and the condominium business. Unfortunately, after that statement, market got little stagnated and people got fear to invest. Thereby, and the mushroom, the mushroom developers also, they are popping like mushrooms, and there was oversupply in the market. I mean traditional apartment market. Thereby, I compelled to find out a way and fine tune my strategies to get rid of this the bad market condition. I think you and me know what is the dollar rate today. There's no the clear macro and micro policy in the government, the very bad political agendas, and the bad economic climate. Under these circumstances, being a developer, I should find out a way to survive ourselves. That is where the global Ocean Breeze is coming up. Those factors matters me to come out with something innovative to grab my customers. Okay, let's see now what is global Ocean Breeze residencies. We have tagged this as a live in a hotel. Live in a hotel, right? Why we tag like that, live in a hotel? It is not a traditional apartment, where we build up a 12-story building where you get the 196 apartment units, which is somewhat like a hotel. You can see the picture. Right, it is somewhat like a hotel. You are buying somewhat like a suite, big room in a star class hotel. You take the star class hotel and take the Ocean Breeze, compare it, you name all the features, amenities in the star class hotel that is there available in the Ocean Breeze. That is why we tagged like a stay in a star class hotel, and it is a more lucrative investment. There are two main features in this Ocean Breeze. One is you can have a star class facility in a star class hotel in a freehold ownership. We are performing under the Condominium Act. Otherwise, we want to be able to give you the ownership. Thereby, we are performing under the Condominium Property Act. And the main feature, unique selling proposition of this particular project is we are giving you the 100,000 guaranteed monthly income. I'll show you a slide. People are buying apartment for a main reason. 70% of the people are buying apartment for a investment purpose, not purely for a residential purpose. Once they bought the apartment, after the completion of the building, they're supposed to find out a buyer to resell or else to rent it out. In this case, Ocean Breeze, we took that responsibilities on our shoulders. The people who are investing in these Ocean Breeze hotel residencies, they don't want to bother about to rent it out or resell it, because we developed this particular concept purely for an investment purpose. You just see, we are selling the studio type apartment at the price of 9 million. We compared that, the rupees 9 million, if we invest in an Ocean Breeze hotel as opposed to bank. Can you have next slide, please? Here, if we invest same 9 million in a bank where you get the 10% guaranteed monthly return. If you invested in an Ocean Breeze, that particular 9 million in a studio type apartment where you get the 13% guaranteed return. We are paying 100,000 guaranteed return, multiplied by 12. It will be a 1.2 million. As a percentage wise, it will be 13%. And when you add the property appreciation value, I think in the Colombo city, it is about 15% to 20%. In the other suburb area, where you get the property appreciation value is about 10%. When you add the 10% into 13%, you will end up with 23%. 23% guaranteed return every year, as opposed to the bank investment. Come on, here the global has opened up your arena where you have to come and invest. There is a project I very proudly announce you. We were started our advertising campaign just 3 weeks ago, and we were able to sold 40% up to now from these 196 units. Thanks my sales guys, thank you for you all. If you having any further clarification in this regard, you're welcome to us at our question and answers session. Thank you. Thanks. Good night, guys. Thank you.
Construction industry as well as the tourism industry. So I am very happy the HNB is now partnered with this company, Global Group, to provide financial assistance to the people who in need of finance to get their housing needs done. At the inception, let me say a very big thank you to the chairman, Mr. Dasu Nikamaratna, for inviting HNB to this occasion. And what we have seen over the years and in the recent past, wherever a client walks in, especially to buy an apartment, there is always a thing called investment gap. The HNB is very happy that we will fill that gap at all the time. It's actually not just filling the gap. It's a matter of, doing a very professional analysis and giving the facility tailor-made and structured. My dear friends, in HNB, we simply don't go with all the developers in the country. We select few and go with and partner them in style. We met a global group of companies in the recent past, and we saw the dynamism in the construction industry, and we have seen something unique for apartment projects has completed wonderfully, and about another 8 or 9 is on the go, and it's yet to be done. That's two are being done in a very, very organized and a professional manner. So we decided to go with the global group, and again, the bank, before we grant facilities, ladies and gentlemen, we always go back to the history, the title history, up to 35 years, to give a